look at how it works. Well, first we're going to charge it up. It was pretty much all. Now that it's fully charged, we're going to go ahead and power it on, which you do with 5 clicks. Nice little welcome screen, and this is one of those vaporizers that automatically starts heating to the previous set temperature. You set the temperature up and down with the arrow buttons. The temperature range here is 464 degrees Fahrenheit on the top end, 320 degrees Fahrenheit on the low end. The power button you can use to flip the screen, so you can invert the screen if it's more convenient for you to look at it that way. Another thing that you can do is you can set the timer by holding down the power button until the timer indicator light indicates that you can change it. So you can set the different range for your timer for the work time before it automatically cuts off. Really extra wide, not very deep. It's kind of more shallow than deep, but super easy to pack it. And I really like vaporizers like that, the kind of inset bowl like that. Really good flavor on this vaporizer. That filter that's in the mouthpiece was excellent.